Extremely cheap airfares. Just how hard is it to find extremely cheap airfares? Finding the right price for your budget when it comes to flying on an airline can be a tricky proposition. The world of air travel ticketing and pricing can seem like a maze of jargon and red tape that is meant to confuse the customer rather than make your life easier and more convenient. Even with the issues of modern-day flights, traveling by air is still usually the most economical and fastest way to travel great distances. Keeping these 3 power tips in mind when searching for your next airfare should help you to find the extremely cheap plane tickets you're searching for. 1. Be very flexible. It helps a lot if you're not rigid with your travel dates. Also, flying midweek can add significant savings. Staying over Saturday is not as important as it used to be for getting the best price. But avoiding peak holiday travel dates is very important when it comes to getting the cheapest airfare. Do not forget to check flights leaving from neighboring airports. You might be able to save a lot of money in exchange for driving to an airport a little farther away from your home. 2. Plan ahead. When possible, always attempt to book your travel at least 2 weeks in advance. Bump that time period out to 4 weeks if you are looking at an international flight. Last-minute deals can always be found, but if you have to travel, you could get in trouble if no deals are available, and you might be forced to pay a higher fare than is fair. 3. Always check round trip. One of the mysteries of the universe is that sometimes the round-trip airfare will be less than the one-way airfare. It is one of those things that goes against common sense, but it happens all the time. Always check both prices when you are shopping for one-way travel. Finding the best price for your airline tickets can take some work, but using these 3 powerful tips can help you to find the absolute cheapest airfare.